Hello and welcome to the Wychbold and Stoke Garden Railway. Over the last few weeks I've been preparing the railway for a new Thomas & Friends video, which is going to be a sequel to Devious Diesel's Disaster. And it's going to be called Paxton and the Runaway Trucks. As much of the action will take place on and around the spiral, I've been busy working on this part of the railway. I've made a new bridge to span the gap between the curved and straight sections of the viaduct and added polyurethane drystone wall tiles to the embankment section. The bridge deck was made from 9mm PVC soffit board and the walls were made from 3mm foam board. The girder detail is made from plastruct styrene sections. The polyurethane drystone wall tiles on the embankment were an eBay purchase. Of course, once the work had been completed, it was vitally important to thoroughly test it.